Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. So in previous video, I talked about modules in Python. So in this video, I'll mainly focus on packages in Python. So before getting started with the packages, I would recommend you to watch my previous video, which is modules in Python, and then get back to this video. So before getting started, I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Right. So now let's begin the lecture. So guys, we have the agenda here. So first we'll see what is a Python package, and then we'll try to create a package, and then finally we'll see some examples of built-in Python packages. So here we have a question: what is a Python package? Right? A Python modules may contains several classes, functions, and variables, etc. Whereas Python package contains several modules. Right? So guys, I would recommend you to watch a previous video, which is modules in Python, and then come back to this video because it's gonna be easier to you. Right? So here you can see Python packages contain several modules, right? The module contains classes, functions, and variables, right? In simpler terms, package in Python is a folder that contains various modules as files. So now let's see example for packages. Here you can see my package name is robot. In my package, I have sub packages, design, actions, and sound. Here you can see the robot has design, actions, and sounds. Here you can see we have this init.py, 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 and init.py. So in the main package we have this init.py. In the sub package also we have this init.py. So now let's understand what is this init.py. Here you can see understanding init.py. It helps the Python interpreter recognize the folder as a package. So when the folder has init.py file, it is going to recognize it is a package, right? Here you can see it is also specifies the resource to be imported from the modules. If the init.py is empty, this means that all functions of the modules will be imported. We can also specify the functions from each modules to be made available, right? So this init.py will be able to recognize it is a package, right? So here this robot is a folder. In this folder we have subfolders, design, action, and sound, right? So in the main package I have this init.py, and then in the sub packages also I have this init.py, init.py, and init.py. So in the design we have the face of the robot and output of the robot. While it comes to the actions, the robot can walk, and then the robot can talk also. And the sound means alarm of the robot. So now let's create a package. So first go to this here. So here I have all the parts of this course, right? So in the part 3 I have this folder, my package. It is a package that I have already created. So first I want you to create a folder with this name, my package, right? And then click on this. So in the folder of my package I have 3 files. One is init.py, it is empty file, and then I have these two are modules, module 1 and module 2, right? In the module 1 I have function 1, and this is going to return this is a function 1 from module 1. It is my module 2, and this function name is 1. This function name is 1, right? So here you can see I have created 2 modules, module 1 and module 2, right, in my package. And I have this init.py, it is an empty file, right? So here you can see we have created my package. In the package I have these 3 files, init.py, mod, and I have 2 modules, right? So now let's import our package and modules. I'm importing module 1 and module 2 from my package. From my package I want to import module 1 and module 2. So in the module 1 I have this function mod1.function1. I'm calling this function 1, and then print mod2.function2. From the module 2 I'm calling this function 1, right? So now let's run this code. You can see it is running, right? This is function 1 from the module 1, and this is function 2 from the module 2, right? Yeah. So now let's see some examples of Python built-in packages. We have NumPy, pandas, matplotlib, etc. We have lots of packages available in the Python. So this NumPy, pandas, and matplotlib, this comes under the data analysis. I will try to make series on this after the completion of our Python course. So like this, you can create your own packages and modules, right? The thing is, you have to remember this definition. The module contains classes, functions, and variables. whereas Python package contains several modules. The one more thing is, you have to remember, in order to create packages, you have to make this init.py, because init.py helps the Python interpreter recognize that this folder has a package, right? So like this, you can create your own custom packages with the modules.